Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you progressive car insurance how to cancel. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel progressive car insurance, first what you need to do is prepare your information. Before cancelling, gather your policy number, personal details like name, address and date of birth, new insurance policy information to avoid a coverage gap, and decide on a cancellation effective date. The next is to simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in organization.com, and once you are inside the home page, simply tap on the contact us, which will provide you the phone number, and all you gotta do is call Progressive's Auto Insurance Cancellation Line and provide your policy number and the date you want the policy cancelled, and ask about refunds for any unused premiums and cancellation fees. Then request written confirmation or email for your records. You can also cancel via live chat by simply tapping on the See More contact options, which will redirect you to the live chat. All you gotta do is tap on the start chat and provide your policy information and request cancellation and ask for email confirmation. And note that not all policies can be fully cancelled online. Chat or phone is usually required. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.